So we just finished baking this XK140 that we've just painted. So we've been doing this over the last few weeks. It's really nice now. It's very clean lines, bumperless body. So obviously the bumper holes aren't there because it won't have the bumpers on. So we'll just paint the panels over the next few days and get it all polished up. And what I'll do is I'll do a video on how we polish fresh paint. And just so you can see how we do that process. They're nice and flat down the sides. Looks really smart. It's kind of really clean as well. The boot's due to be cleaned, as you can see. It's pretty mucky in here, and the job's really clean. There's no dirt inclusions or anything really. Just one little piece right on the scuttle up there, but that's it really. So very nice job. Look forward to polishing it.